Urban commuters updated. Tired of urban jams? Our e-bike is the answer. Built for city life, it's green, fast and a breeze to drive. With a 2000W motor, zoom past cars, it speeds up to 35 miles per hour, makes city travel fun and efficient again. Quick and streamlined folding. Thanks to its lightweight structure, our design can be quickly folded. Whether it's your office, home elevator, subway, or even the trunk of a compact car, folding a bike storage is effortless and efficient. Elevate your riding comfort. Experience a plush ride with our electric bike's aluminum alloy suspension front fork and shock-absorbing seat post. Paired with 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires and an ultra-cushioned saddle, it adapts smoothly to various terrains. Extended battery life for longer trips. Equipped with our high-capacity 48V 20AH battery, a single charge supports a range of 28 to 30 miles in electric mode and 42 to 60 miles in PAS mode, ensuring you're amped up for all your commuting needs. 3 riding modes. Embrace flexibility with 3 tailor-made modes: traditional cycling, pure electric cruising and sport pedaling.